Hey guys, this is Craft and Sing with me. So today's topic is about Make Your Diary. And if you ask me why did I change the channel name, is just because I wasn't satisfied. I was a half-minded girl and now I'm fully satisfied with the name and there's no other reason. So come, let's have the habit of having a diary. Many of you don't have the habit of having diary. Basically, you people use it in wrong way. Let's talk about this later. So these are some of my ideas on other months, but today we will also be learning one. So come, let's get started. One thing is so awkward thing is that when I give voiceover like this or record like this, later on I never realize, like after many days when I see with my friends or like with my parents, I feel so shy and I would automatically start laughing because the way I talk, my voice will be, I talk madly. I just tell something else which is not related to the video also, which is so stupid. But I thought not to talk much. Let me add everything in the substyles. But I just wanted to tell this. So you can see here I have a printout here, which is September 2020. And I have taken the Pentonic black pen and I have underlined everything. You can use the brush pen also if you want to underline. And I have taken the red brush pen and I'm coloring it. I'm really satisfied with the color. And yeah, one more thing, if you want to get the same printout, then go first and check out the description box for a link. If you want the same image where I'm using for September 2020, the same flowers, the same design, the image is given in the description box. Go fast and check, and then later on don't tell you did not tell. I'm telling it right now, hear it properly. It is in the description box, the link for this image. Go click on it, download your image and get a printout and start making your diary from the month September or from next year. That's according to you. So if you like this image, then I'm giving it to you. You can see here I'm taking light green. Don't think for every leaves I'm putting the light green. Here I would also take the dark green as well and smudge with the light green, which gives a real good effect, and I'm really happy with that. I'm satisfied. That's what I can say. So if I'm talking too harshly, you can complain in the chat box. As usual, I'm not so popular to have worst comments or very good excellent comments. Not even my relatives watch this video. Only people for time pass maybe who watch it. But one day when I reach more than 1,000 subscribers, I might be getting comments. But that's okay. To improve, I have to put video. And if you ask me why did you not put video for these many days, sorry, I was too busy. Yes, everyone is busy in their life, so don't care about it. I hope it's kind of okay. One flower with the pink, another one, two with red, and one random flower with yellow. So you should know one thing, if you color anything with light color, you should take something opposite dark color and you have to trace out the lines of the margins which is given in that object, so that it gives a kind of look. Now if you see, I don't have the look in that yellow flower, but now when I'm gonna use my brown color brush pen for this, see, you can see I'm using it. So there, now when I'm gonna add, you can come to know the real effect of this. It is pretty much good than that before one. So, and one more thing, brown color leads you up to another resource, which is wherever you have left out like a little bit of fillings, that if you can fill it with the brown color, it would give a nice effect. As you can see me, I'm doing it is not so worse, it is not so bad, so you can also try it out. And if you want to get the same company brush pens, then in my previous video or in some of my videos, I think I have given the link to buy through Amazon, so you can go and check it out. Now I have taken my pencil and I've given a cursive writing for September, because I love cursive writing. Yes, I am learning cursive writing, and if you want me to teach you guys the cursive handwriting, then yeah, I will make sure I will teach it. I'll teach you. So but basically we are here, so we'll first learn this and then we'll learn many more, and then we'll move on to all these stuffs. But hey, yeah, I'm tracing out the September. Actually, I felt a little bit difficult because my Pentonic pen was little bit old. It had very less thing. I didn't know the difference between my new pen and the old pen. They both looked the same. My old pen looked same, neat and clean, just like my old pen. So then later on, while making the video, I realized that this was my old pen. That is why it is so slow. But I'm sorry, I forgot to edit this thing in my video, but still you can skip it if you feel you don't want to watch it. You don't want to watch it? Then skip it. Sorry. So actually, same thing I'm gonna do. Let's meet. Okay, so now you're gonna take an eraser and you should rub the pencil marks. And if you're an expert that no, I don't need pencil, I'm so confident I can write with the pen without any mistake. So if you are an experienced guy, then you can go ahead. Even I'm trying to, but I'm too scared whether if anything wrong will happen, then I have to tear that page, and I don't want to tear the page because that would not look good, and I hate tearing page, like it won't look good. So only I thought, but I am practicing to do with the pen without any mistake. and I think I'm almost 50% done with that, but still I was too scared. Why to take risk? I love taking risk, but okay, just no need to blabber. Seriously, it feels so jokey when I realize at the back. When I watch my video later, I laugh like hell. That is so worst. I thought let me not speak, but this is making me to speak. So let's leave a part and we'll start talking less. Talk less, work more. Okay, this is called talking stupidly. Yes, so this I'm taking the purple one and I'm coloring for I'm not giving the same color for all the letters. I'm giving different, and the different won't look like a cow dung. They will look beautiful because I'm giving through certain shades, so they won't look so maddy kind thingy. And now for the E one, I'm using the dark blue. Dark blue is looking like black, but later on after it dries, it will look like a dark blue only, because color is color. Working out is working out. Okay, and maybe I would give extra structure for these. Extra structure means some another outline for this and all. So in one stroke I'm adding this light blue. Actually, brush pens are mainly there for learning your calligraphy, because they're brush kind thing and they're so easy to use too. Yes, yeah, you should learn about them. Maybe this can help you. I'm using this pink now to color the T, and the stroke on the T, one side will be pink, another side will be blue. That one will fill later. Okay, don't need to worry about that thing. Yeah. So same words, next one will be the orange color, but for every filling I'm using the nylon nib. I'm not using the thick nib because I'm just filling, right? If I would write with the brush pen, then I would go to that soft side, but this is just like filling, so using the nylon nib. And you can also use the nylon nib for writing also, but basically I forgot to not underline the M's that between one thingy, but later on I realized, oh my god, but as I was too lazy to do that work again, I thought, yeah, we'll smudge it with some other random color. So for R, I'm thinking to put the yellow color, and for the M1, I'll smudge it with the brown color. That is a good idea, right? Yeah. You can also use lazy workouts if you like so. Seriously, we all are lazy, right? You should be lazy, man. That's also a work. See, I talk something stupidly like this because if I have too much of food, then I would behave like this only, So you can just mute your thing and just see to the video. But I like to blabber, I like to talk. So I'm talking. And many of them tell I have a big mouth. I don't know whether it is true, but when I realize it later, I think it is yes. Okay, so we are done with the coloring. No, sorry, we have some extra fitting also, so we'll make it the extra fitting. Wait. So these were the extra fittings. You should use yellow highlighter. This is not yellow, means not ochre yellow or the random yellow. It is a kind of glowing yellow. You can use neon paint also for this, but the thing is, yeah, okay, here I said you guys I want to introduce an app. Many of us don't have the habit of writing these the diary. So here we have a beautiful, I have found a nice app, Diary with Lock. Diary, a collection of notes from your life. There are many apps, but if you want a simple and trustworthy, this is the best one. It is simple and it is awesome. Okay, many of us use diary to write our monthly our monthly uses. Like if you go to buy a Oreo biscuit or the day's rice or grams, you write all. You should not write all those stuffs. Diary is not meant for that. You should take some other notebook and note down all these things. Diary is like where you write your everyday whatever happened today. That is where is called diary. And if you think, who will take that stupid diary, who will take that pen and sit and write, that takes a lot of time. I am a lazy guy. If you think like that, then go fast to the description box and download this app. And I have also I'm also teaching you how to use this app, just like here. So I have given the topic Wednesday. They'll only give the thing, the day and date. Wednesday, September 2nd, 2020. And the topic I have given is my best day ever. Something to show you guys. Randomly I put the best day ever and I started writing today was my best day in my life, and some pomegranate, pineapple, some random fruit and I put. Now we'll go to the code lock. If you want that no one should read my diary, then you should add a password. For that you should go to the code lock and then you should give any password you want and you're done. No one can read. And next we are going to the colors and style. If you want the back, here you can change the background of the diary. So here I'm choosing, and here you can also choose the handwriting. You can see here you see, right, there even if they are less handwriting, they are super cool. And I have changed the color of the handwriting too, which is seriously good. And you can see the 3 line. You can add your account, and this is reminder setup, where 2 days once it will remind, or every day also you can keep. So my reminder is activated, so it will remind me. So that time I'll take my phone and I'll start writing the days whatever happened, and also. And at the same time, here we are seeing that I have stuck the September thingy, and now I'm putting the password and I have unlocked it. You might get 1 or 2 ads, but you can skip them really faster. Here we have about, help, feedback, visit us on Facebook, get premier, recommend to a friend, rate and review, export, reminder, colors and style, and code lock. So you can use all these options. Now we are done with it. So like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So bye. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye guys. Thank you for watching the video. I'll make sure I'll put all my videos regularly.